Don't need to stand it up, I don't think.
I reckon
Need to be able to see
be.
it, don't they?
I mean, I hope they've stood theirs up, because otherwise we won't be able to find out where they are.
Ready! Fuck me!
Right, some people are going to have to stay here and just bunk it out.
Roger, Roger. And keep an eye on the right, they like to come up and round the back.
Down the right.
Where are we looking? Top of the ridge at the back! Who's us? 3 of us, yeah? Yeah, coming in from over there as well. Fuck me.
You get it already. Got hit in the head, I don't know who by who. Weapon hit!
Where the fuck's that even coming from?
That is probably crit.
From that distance? Fuck's sake. Right, there's 2, top of the hill to our right.
Hey, one down.
Come on, you fuckers. Whoop. Where's that coming from? Oh, dude. Oh, weapon hit.
Weapon hit.
There's one directly in front of me. Right, I got him.
Yeah, there's another one just behind him.
Cripses. Oh, heads up, heads up. to my right. Oh, fuck, that's close. Weapon hit. This tree's not fucking big enough.
Got him.
Yo.
Get to the green net here.
What do you think I'm fucking trying to do?
I'm trying to help you.
What's that? Ah! Hit!
The two of you,
I know
Push
where
it
he is
round.
that side.
they
But
can't
there is one guy.
engage. They can't engage until they get back to their spawn. So you go
Oh, I
round
just got
their
shot in the
spawn
fucking head just there.
I see what you
to the
mean.
top.
Right.
We'll give it a go. We've lost 2 down this side, but
When you get back round to their spawn, they're going back from there.
just keep eyes on.
I know there's one behind that fucking tree as well.
He's fucking hit.
Right. Watch where you're fucking going. I know they're around.
There he is, he's there, he's there.
And that was a straightforward headshot from less than 30 feet. So
But it's from there that they keep fucking shooting me in the head. Yes, Liam.
Liam, man out.
Yep. Fuck it hell, I know where he's coming from.
Oh shit, yeah. Fuck me.
That's the one that's been shooting me in the fucking head, so I can't get to him.
It's too far. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we're never going to make it past that because one's to the left and one's straight ahead. Ooh.
That's Crips.
Right, we've got one pinned down behind the tree. The guy to the left's pinned down now. You're in range, lads.
Wherever the fuck that was from. Fucking second. One more shot and I don't give a shit. I'll walk straight back up.
Whoa! That was fucking close. Whoa! Weapon hit! Fuck me. The guy to our left is absolutely peppering it. Shit, I'm out. Taking 2 steps back.
No, I was on about over there. That's Cripsy. No, that's Cripsy. You got a little guy down to your left as well. Oh, he's still there. Yeah.
Yeah, he's still going. Almost hit the marshal.
If I can get the Cripsy, I'll get it.
Whoa! That was fucking close.
Fucking hell, Cripsy.
Whoa!
I did it.
You get hit.
Yeah, bang. Good shot, Crips, you bastard.
Whoa! That was getting closer. Lads are gonna need some help over here. They've got 2 and I can't get to either. Moving forward up front. Careful, he's well within range. And there's one straight to the left over there as well. Oh my god, fucking trees! Why aren't the trees bigger? Oh, weapon hit! Fucking hell. Fucking has, isn't it?
That's a little MP5 I built for him.
An MP5? Fuck me.
Guilty as charged.
Oh, you bastard.
Oh, he's there behind the tree.
Yeah.
Put it this way.
This is my G19 on board.
Yes, that's pretty fucking turbo as well, isn't it? Let's be honest. Well then.
Oh, there's a tip shot. Hi, alright. I'm used to it.
You're falling backwards at someone else.
No, oh, that was close. Literally, I cannot move left or right from where I'm stood at the moment.
Alex, you're able to spin slightly to the right.
Oh, hit! Finally! Fuck's sake, he's still behind that tree, isn't he?
Tree on the left.
Oh yeah, just peppering him out.
Shooting and watching the boat fly, and he's driving a long way, but he's out of range. So he's
Yeah.
No, it's correct. He cooks this like.
Up a bit! Up more! That's better! Hit!
It's right at the top of the pack.
Never gonna get around there now. They're behind our shelter. Whoop. Hey! Dip man walking. Dip man working. Dip, 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 dip. Roger.
Back in!
Whoa. One straight ahead, weapon hit, weapon hit. Lads, I got one behind a tree right in front of me. Finally, fuck's sake. Shit. Two straight ahead. Ah! Hit! Oh, for fuck's sake. Ah!
Did you just go to shoot me and got shot in the balls?
Oh, my fucking side.
You're right, bro.
Fuck me, I was too busy watching down there, didn't
Stuck
fucking
up here.
see you. Oh, fuck's sake.
That was good move. I was too focused. I shouldn't have focused out that way. Well done.
Oh, dude.
I knew you were going to. That's why I came down there.